for apple. Very good.
Thank you.
Okay. B is for
Boy.
C is for
Yeah.
cat. This one. What letter is this? D is for
Dad.
E is for ay, loko na. E is for
11.
very good. This one. F is for
Fish.
fish. Very good.
I fish.
Hi fish. G is for gift. What letter is this? H is for
Horse.
horse. I is for ice
Ice
cream. J is for
Juice.
juice. Very good. K is for key. Very good. L is for
Lion.
lion. Very good. M is for
Monkey.
monkey. Very good. Next. This one. Oh, okay. N is for
Mess.
nest. Very good. O is
Oh.
for
Hindi
sige. O is for
Hindi tayong orange.
very
Siya
good.
kasi maghahawak.
Siya maghahawak. Okay.
Mali.
Ay, okay. P as
Ano hawak?
Okay. Sige, kumuha.
Pear.
Pear. Very good.
Ang galing nga.
And this one. IQ is for guilt.
Hindi git.
Okay. Ay, quilt pala, quilt. Quilt. Mali ako. This one.
Mali.
Mali ako.
Hawakan.
Okay, hawakan mo. This one, R is for
Rose.
ayos aki. S is for
Hawakan.
okay. S is for
Tan.
sun. Very good. This one.
Hawakan.
Okay. Pakita mo. T is for
Tiger.
okay. This one. Hawak aki. U is for
Umbrella.
umbrella. Very good.
Bakit mo ito?
V is for
Vegetable.
vegetables. Very good. This one. W. Say W.
Ito.
Okay.
May eggplant.
Opo. May eggplant. Tama. May eggplant. Okay na. Dali na. Ito na. This one. Ito. What's this? W is for ano English na nilo? Watch. Very good. This one. Matatapos na tayo. X is for
Telephone.
xylophone. Very good. Y is for
Yes.
last. Z is for
Zebra.
zebra. Very good. Yay!